Hare Krishna, good morning. It's a very beautiful morning here nearby the mountains, and we start morning with the sunrise with Mangalarti and Japa as usually. And I recommend everyone to wake up early with the birds and nature, to start the day with a prayer, with chanting the holy names of the Lord. And also I wish you a nice partner, a spouse who will be with the same thinking, with the same goal, and doing it together is much more inspiring, more fun. And now we are going to a beautiful place which is called Nine Arch Bridge, which is a wonderful place. I've never been there, but I saw photos and videos, but we will show it to you through our eyes. Hare Krishna.
Yes, nice partner, it's me.
Here on the tree we can see the jackfruit, and all around in this world we see fruit trees and different plants that we can use in food, and it means that God created everything for us, and there is enough resources for us to live on this planet. But because of greediness, because of certain human features which are not that positive, some people are very rich and some people are very poor and starving. So basically all animals, they don't die from hunger. Even every squirrel, every hamster finds something to eat and be happy, but human beings are a bit different. So we should think nicely about our qualities and be satisfied with what we have, and then there would be peace on this world. But this is Kali Yuga. Now we're in the forest and the air is so fresh, and it's still early and the nature is waking up, and those people who are still sleeping at this time, they are missing the best part of the day, because this freshness, this mode of goodness, this lightness, and if you do your activities in this time, you become successful in any ways in your life. Rich people, successful people, their habit is to wake up at 5 o'clock and earlier. But we are not tending to get some material success, but our spiritual success also depends on which mode of goodness influence us. So it's very beautiful to wake up early, to take a walk and breathe with the fresh air. But when we were young, when I was young, and now many people, they just go to the clubs and inhale the smoke, trying to find some happiness in it. If I was at my age, when I was 20, and I got some instructions about modes of goodness, about if I read Bhagavad Gita, if I had this environment of devotees, I would be much happier. That's why I recommend to the young people who has choices in their life, choose the right way, choose reading the spiritual scriptures. In this way you will know how to live your life and how to become truly happy. The bridge without any metal things in it, only bricks. So beautiful. This bridge is standing here for around like 100 years, and everyone understands that this bridge didn't appear from nothing. There was a designer, constructor, and people who did this work to build this bridge. And in the same way, why some people don't understand that behind this world, this earth, this planet and other planets, there is a creator behind it, or above it, or that's quite obvious that behind everything there is a creator. We made a long way and now we are going to sit upstairs and chant japa attentively and peacefully. Hare Krishna. Beautiful view, right?